Auto insurance is a vital component of daily life in the United States, providing financial protection for vehicle owners and helping to ensure road safety. This documentary explores the history, statistics, and significance of auto and car insurance in the USA. Chapter 1. A Brief History. Auto insurance in the USA has a rich history dating back to the early 20th century. Here are some key milestones. 1.1. The beginnings. The first recorded auto insurance policy was issued in 1897 by Travelers Insurance Company in Connecticut. Early policies were relatively simple, covering only third-party liability. 1.2. The 1920s. As automobiles became more widespread, insurance companies introduced comprehensive policies to protect vehicle owners from various risks, including collisions, theft, and damage. 1.3. State regulation. In the 1920s and 1930s, state governments began regulating auto insurance, standardizing coverage requirements and setting premium rates to protect consumers. Chapter 2. Types of auto insurance. 2.1. Liability insurance. Every driver in the USA is required to have liability insurance, which covers damages and injuries to other parties in an accident. 2.2. Collision insurance. This type of insurance covers damage to the policyholder's vehicle resulting from a collision with another vehicle or object. 2.3. Comprehensive insurance. Comprehensive insurance covers non-collision-related damage, such as theft, vandalism, natural disasters, or animal collisions. 2.4. Uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage. This protects the policyholder if they are involved in an accident with an uninsured or underinsured driver. Chapter 3. Statistics and Facts. 3.1. The size of the market. The auto insurance market in the USA is enormous, with a total premium volume exceeding $300 billion annually. 3.2. Coverage rates. Approximately 87% of all vehicles in the USA are insured, but there are still millions of uninsured drivers on the road. 3.3. Accident rates. In 2020, there were about 38,800 fatal car crashes in the USA, resulting in 42,125 deaths. 3.4. Cost of insurance. The average annual auto insurance premium in the USA is around $2,200, but it varies significantly by state and individual factors. Chapter 4. Impact on society. 1. Financial protection. Auto insurance provides a safety net for individuals by covering the cost of repairs, medical bills, and legal fees after an accident. 4.2. Legal requirements. Most states mandate auto insurance to ensure that responsible parties are financially accountable in case of accidents. 4.3. Road safety. Insurance encourages responsible driving behavior, as insured drivers are more likely to obey traffic laws and take precautions. 4.4. Economic contribution. The insurance industry is a significant contributor to the U.S. economy, providing jobs and stimulating economic growth. Chapter 5. Challenges and Future Trends. 5.1. Rising costs. Auto insurance premiums have been steadily increasing due to factors like higher repair costs, distracted driving, and severe weather events. 5.2. Technological advances. The industry is embracing technology with telematics devices, AI-driven underwriting, and autonomous vehicles, which may impact insurance in the future. 5.3. Regulatory changes. Ongoing debates about insurance regulation and reform aim to strike a balance between consumer protection and affordability. Conclusion. Auto and car insurance in the USA have evolved significantly since their inception, providing essential financial protection and contributing to road safety. While challenges persist, the industry continues to adapt to changing technologies and regulations to better serve American drivers. Car and auto insurance in the USA is a system that provides financial protection to vehicle owners and drivers in the event of accidents, damage, theft, or other covered incidents involving their vehicles. It is a legal requirement in most states, and understanding the basics of car insurance is essential for all drivers. Here are the key components and concepts associated with car and auto insurance in the USA. Policy coverage. Types: liability insurance. This is the most basic type of coverage and is typically required by law in all states. It covers bodily injury and property damage liability when the insured driver is at fault in an accident. It pays for medical expenses, repair costs, and legal fees of the other party involved. Collision insurance. This coverage pays for repairs or replacement of your own vehicle in the event of a collision with another vehicle or object, regardless of fault. Comprehensive insurance. Also known as other than collision coverage, it covers damage to your vehicle resulting from events such as theft, vandalism, fire, natural disasters, and collisions with animals. Uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage. This coverage protects you if you're involved in an accident with a driver who has insufficient or no insurance. Premium. This is the amount you pay for your insurance policy. Premiums can vary widely based on factors such as your driving history, location, type of vehicle, coverage levels, and deductible. Deductible. This is the amount you must pay out of pocket before your insurance coverage kicks in. Higher deductibles typically result in lower premiums, while lower deductibles mean higher premiums. Policy limits. These limits determine the maximum amount your insurance company will pay for a covered claim. They are typically expressed in a split format, e.g., 100-350, indicating the bodily injury liability limits per person, per accident, and property damage liability limits. No-fault insurance. Some states have no-fault insurance systems, where each driver's insurance company pays for their medical expenses and other losses, regardless of fault. This is designed to reduce the need for costly litigation. SR22 insurance. This is a special form of insurance required for individuals who have been convicted of certain driving offenses, such as DUI, driving under the influence, or driving without insurance. It's a way to prove financial responsibility to the state. Factors affecting premiums. Insurance companies consider various factors when determining your premium, including your driving record, age, gender, location, type of vehicle, credit score, and the coverage levels you choose. State laws and requirements. Auto insurance requirements vary by state. Some states may have minimum coverage limits, while others may have additional requirements or options like personal injury protection, PIP, or medical payment coverage. Discounts. Insurance companies often offer discounts for safe driving, bundling multiple policies, e.g., home and auto, anti-theft devices, good student discounts, and more. Claims process. In the event of an accident or covered incident, you'll need to file a claim with your insurance company. They will assess the damage, determine coverage, and arrange for repairs or compensation as applicable. Here are some compelling reasons why having car insurance is absolutely essential. Legal requirement. In most states, it is mandatory to have at least liability insurance. Driving without insurance not only puts you at risk of hefty fines and legal consequences, but also endangers your financial security. Financial protection. Accidents can happen to even the most cautious drivers. Car insurance ensures that you are financially protected in case of collisions, damage, or injuries, sparing you from unexpected and potentially devastating costs. Peace of mind. Knowing that you are covered by insurance brings peace of mind. You can drive with confidence, knowing that you have a safety net in place should the unexpected occur. Protection for others. Car insurance not only covers your expenses but also the costs associated with injuries and property damage to other parties involved in an accident where you are at fault. It's a responsible way to protect others on the road. Uninsured motorists. Unfortunately, not everyone on the road carries insurance. If you're involved in an accident with an uninsured driver, your insurance can step in to help cover your expenses. Affordable options. There are various insurance plans and providers available, and many offer affordable options that can fit your budget. You don't have to break the bank to get the coverage you need. Financial stability. Car insurance can help you maintain financial stability by preventing unexpected expenses from derailing your savings or forcing you into debt. Car and auto insurance in the USA is a critical financial safeguard for drivers, helping to protect their assets and provide peace of mind while on the road. It's important to carefully consider your coverage options and shop around for the best insurance policy that meets your needs and budget.